Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys oppo mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to turn on oppo mobile privacy password. Friends, you want to turn on oppo mobile privacy password, you want to use oppo mobile privacy password setting. So friends, now let's see how to use oppo mobile privacy password setting one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about. So before starting video, first of all, go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, in your oppo mobile, you want to own privacy password, you want to set privacy password. Open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting, friends, scroll down here, open your phone password and biometric setting. If you click here, so you can select your lock screen password, you can start your lock screen password, you can own your lock screen password. Friends, tap here set privacy password setting. Use a different password types. So friends, you can select your oppo mobile privacy password type, pattern password, 4-digit password, photo 16-digit password, password with photo 16 alphanumeric. You can use it. So friends, I will not use different password, I will use privacy password, 6-digit password, 123000 1230000. Remember your privacy password, okay? And remember your security question. Friends, if you forget your privacy password, so you can unlock your oppo mobile with privacy password security question answer, okay? Remember your security question answer. Friends, I will enter here my mobile name oppo, right click here. So friends, now you can see privacy password will on. If you click here, enter your privacy password, 123000, my password. You want to remove your privacy password, you can remove privacy password, you can change your privacy password. Privacy features you can use, app lock setting you can use, hide app setting you can use, private safe password setting you can use. If you click here private safe setting, enter your password, you can use your private safe password setting. Photo video you can private, audio document file other file you can private. If you click here hide app setting, you want to hide apps in oppo mobile, right click here, you can hide app. If you click here app lock setting, you want to lock any app in your oppo mobile, you want to set password on app, so you can own your app lock setting from here. Example, you want to lock your chrome app, so when tap here, chrome app will lock in your oppo mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Do you have any doubt, you have any problem in oppo mobile privacy password setting, so friends you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.